Hi, I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegetarian stuffing recipe. Because if you're anything like me, stuffing is my favorite part of the Thanksgiving meal, and you shouldn't have to not enjoy the stuffing just because you're not enjoying the turkey. So I'm going to heat some olive oil on the stovetop. And then I'm going to cook some onion and some celery with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of sage. And then I'm going to cook that just until the onion becomes soft and translucent. It'll be about 3 or 4 minutes. And then I'm going to add some stale bread cubes. Cook it all together. And I'm going to put in some flat leaf Italian parsley. You can use curly parsley if you want. I just think the flat leaf has a little bit more flavor. Now once that's ready, I'm going to add just a little bit of stock. And as a vegetable stock, I cooked root vegetables, carrot, potato, parsnip, and onion. And so I'm just going to slowly add the stock. I really just want to soften up the bread and make it all come together. And then just cook it for a few minutes longer here. Not enough stock so that it collects in the pan, but just enough to kind of hold everything together. And there you have vegetarian stuffing.